Hello all, welcome to our channel. In the series of Constitution of India, today we are going to start with parliamentary form of government in India. So let's get started. The democratic system of government can be divided into parliamentary and presidential system based on relationship between executive and legislature. In a parliamentary system, an executive is a part of legislature which implements the law and plays an active role in framing it as well. In a parliamentary system, the head of the state may be a monarch or a president, but both of these positions are ceremonial. The first one was parliamentary, the next one was presidential. The head of the government, who is generally called the prime minister, is a real head. Thus, all the real executive powers are vested in the Prime Minister. Title of Parliament of India. The Parliament of India is a supreme legislative body of Republic of India. It is bicameral legislature composed of President of India and two houses. Bicameral legislature with two houses. First is Lok Sabha, that is House of People, and second is Rajya Sabha, which is Council of States. The President, in his role as the head of legislature, has full powers to summon and prorogue either house of parliament or to dissolve Lok Sabha. The President can exercise this power only upon the advice of Prime Minister and the union of Council of Ministers. Those elected or nominated by the President to either House Parliament are referred to as Member of Parliament, MP. The Member of Parliament, that is Lok Sabha, are directly elected in Indian public voting in single-member districts, and the Member of Parliament, Rajya Sabha, are elected by members of all state legislative assembly by proportional representation. The Parliament has a sanctioned strength of 545 members in Lok Sabha. That includes two nominees from Anglo-Indian community by the President and 245 members in Rajya Sabha, including 12 nominees from the expertise of different fields of science, cultural and history. India has a parliamentary system of government. Article 74 and Article 75 deal with the parliamentary system of centre and whereas Article 163 and 164 deals with that of states. The Parliament meets at Sansad Bhavan in Delhi. Sansad Bhavan in New Delhi. So this is all about parliamentary form of government in India. So in the next session we'll be looking into detail about Lok Sabha. So stay tuned to our channel for more such content. Also do like, share and subscribe our channel. Please press the bell button to get the latest video updates to our channel. Thank you.